Basbousa, a traditional Arabic sweet cake, also my personal favorite. Before we show you how to make it, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay notified on our latest videos. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups semolina, 2/3 cups of melted butter, 1 cup yogurt, 2/3 cups of sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, half cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup coconut powder. In a big enough mixing bowl, mix together all of the ingredients thoroughly. After your mixture looks like this, you can go ahead and grease your baking tray and put all of your mixture into the tray. Try to level out the mixture to the best of your ability. This will ensure all of your basbousa are the same size. Once it's all nice and even, using a thin spatula, indent the squares of your basbousa. This will make life so much easier after you bake it. Now for that signature garnish for your basbousa, you can decorate it using peeled almonds like so, or however you'd like to decorate it. Once your tray is ready, preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the basbousa for 15 to 20 minutes until it has a golden brown color. So in the meantime, you can make your syrup, for which you will need a saucepan filled with 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 2 cups of sugar. Mix all the ingredients in boiling water. After it boils, it should be ready. Once the basbousa is golden brown, it's ready to take out for the final step. Before that, just recut all your basbousa to make sure when you pour the syrup, it goes all the way to the bottom. Now just evenly pour the boiling syrup onto the basbousa. And let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Our basbousa is ready and looking more delicious than ever. Thanks for watching this video. Eid Mubarak to all of you guys, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends, and until next time.